We are dividing a multi-polynomial by, well, that's redundant, but a polynomial by a monomial. We can go ahead and separate each term individually. So this is going to be 2x to the fifth over 2x squared minus 4x cubed over 2x squared minus 3x squared over 2x squared. When we are looking at each term individually, we're going to go ahead and simplify the coefficients. So 2 divided by 2 is just 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then 3 halves is not going to change. Now we can address our exponents. Whenever we are dividing the same bases, we're going to subtract their exponents. So this entire term is going to turn into simply x cubed. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we're going to take our coefficient, rewrite that. We have x cubed divided by x squared, which is just going to be x. Next, we have x squared over x squared, and those are going to cancel. So this is going to be just negative 3 halves. And that is our final answer.